Sairam children, welcome to online session. Max chapter 3 will continue indices and cube root. Let's revise what we have studied in previous session. What we have studied about the rational indices, and that the first one was which can be expressed in the form 1 upon n. That is, we have to express in the form nth root of a. So first question is 17 raised to 1 upon 5. So hope so you all have revised. Yes? Write the answer. Check the answer. What is the answer? Fifth root of 17. Next. 42 raised to 1 upon 3. It is, yes, cube root of 42. We know when the index is 1 upon 3, it is cube root. Third root, that is cube root, right? Yes. Next one we have also studied a raised to m upon n, right? Okay, now let me check. First one, 28 raised to 4 upon 7. We have to fill in the blanks, right? Okay, 28 raised to 4 upon 7 is dash power of the dash root of dash. Got the answer? Yes. Which power it is? Fourth power. Root, seventh root of 28. Correct. Next, 144 raised to 6 upon 10 is dash root of the dash power of dash. Here you have to write root first, which is root, it is 10 of the power 6 of 144. Correct? Yes. Okay. Now we will study about cube. But before that, we have also studied last time squares. You are asked to by heart the squares from number 1 to 20. So now 1 to 25 also you are going to by heart it. Okay, what is the square of 17? 289. Correct. Now we will be learning about cube. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube. And when we have to write this using index form, the index is 3. For example, 5 raised to 3. So it is 5 into 5 into 5. So when a number is multiplied by itself thrice, 3 times, the product is cube. So 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5, 125. So your answer is 5 cube is equal to 125. It means cube of 5 is 125. Next, find the cube of negative 4. So first to write in index form. It is a negative number. So write in bracket negative 4 raised to 3. Now you multiply it by itself 3 times. Negative 4 multiplied by negative 4 multiplied by negative 4. First multiply the numbers. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. And then negative sign. If negative sign we are multiplying by odd number of times, maybe 1, 3, 5, like that it is, then it is negative. So always keep in mind, negative sign multiplied by odd number of times remains negative. So your answer is negative 64. Negative 4 cube of negative 4 is negative 64. Next, find the cube of 0.02. Now here the number is a decimal. First write in index form 0.02 raised to 3. A number multiplied by itself thrice. 0.02 multiplied by 0.02 multiplied by 0.02. First you multiply the number, ignore decimal. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then decimal part. After decimal 2 places are there. So 2 places plus 2 plus 2. So total 6 places. So your 8 should come as a 6th place. So how will be writing it? 0.0000008. It means 5 times you are writing 0 and then 8 because the 6th place. So this is about what we have studied about the cube. Now keep one thing in mind. Cube of a positive number is positive. Cube of negative number is negative. First question was positive. Answer is positive. Negative cube is negative. So now what you are going to do? You are going to learn the cubes. First cube 1 to 10. The next 11 to 20. Okay? And you all are ready with your books, notebooks, pen? Yes, you have to copy all these sums and practice at home. Okay, this was about cube. Now we will be learning to find the cube root. To find the cube root, first we have to do the find factors. That is by factorization method. How we used to do in square roots, finding the factors. Now here's one example. Find the cube root of 216. We can find the factors vertical form, that is standing, or horizontal form. So children find this way easy. So I have done like that. Draw one vertical line, write 216 and 2. Okay, how I have done. And you are already writing in the ruled books. Lines are there. So just draw one standing line. And we will try to write the factors directly. So 216 divided by 2. As we know, 2 ones are 2. Then next digit comes 1. It's not divisible. So what you do? Put 0 and then take 16 together. So the number becomes 108. And in case you are not able to do directly, you have to learn. But by the time you can do ordinary division. Ordinary division you do. Divide 216 by 2. That is the answer question which you get. 108. Right here. Slowly you will be learning it. Then again 108 divide by 2. So we know 2 5s are. So below that 10 you write 5. And below 8 you write 4. 54. And again divide 54 by 2. You are getting 27. Now it has come an odd number. And 27 is cube of 3. So write 3. Divide by that is 27. You get 9. Write 9 below it. Again you divide by 3. You get 3. Again divide by 3. You get 1. You are going to go on dividing till you get 1. So this way we are going to learn to find the factors. After finding factors, write the factors. 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. All the factors. And one thing we have to remember that each factor appears thrice, 3 times. And in case you are not getting 3 times, check your calculation again. So underline it, a group of 3, that is 2 into 2 into 3, underline. 3 into 3, 3, underline. So that you know we are having a group of 2 and 3. After writing factors, you have to write cube root using the radical sign. Now when we use the radical sign, it is cube root. You have to write 3. How it is written here? Outside the radical sign, 3. Inside it, the number 216. You have to write 3 outside. You have to be very careful. Now cube root of 216 is equal to what I have done. From group of 2, 1, 2 is taken. From group of 3, 1, 3. So 2 3s are 6. Cube root of 216 is 6. Then write the final answer. Cube root of 216 is 6. This is the way you are going to find the cube roots by using factorization method. Now we will be starting practice set 3.3. Question is, Find the cube roots of the following numbers. First one is 8000. So what we'll be doing? We'll be drawing a standing line. Write 2 and to the right write 8000. The way it is done here. It is shown here. And as we know, 8 is an even number. So even numbers are divisible by 2. Start with 2. And when you start with 2, we know 2 4s are 8. So below 8 you write 4. And then your 0, 0, 0. How many times 3 zeros are there? Write 3 0. It means 8000 divided by 2 is 4000. Again divide by 2. So it comes to 2 2s are 4. So below 4 you write 2. Again 3 zeros. So 4000 divided by 2 is 2000. Again divide by 2. It comes to 1000. 1000 divided by 2. 500, because you know first take 10. Divide by 2 5. Then remaining 2 zeros are there. So 500. 500 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4 we know. So the next digit is 0. It becomes 10. So 5. Then 0. So try to do orally. If you are not, do ordinary division and write the answer. So 500 divided by 2. 250. Again 250 divided by 2. It is 125. Now 125 is a number having 5 in the unit place. And the numbers having 5 in the unit place are divisible by 5. 125 is cube of 5. So you write 5 and divide it. Like you are having 125. Take 2 digits. That is 5 2s are 10. Again it becomes 25. So 25. This is the way you will be learning to do directly. Again 25 divided by 5. 5. 5 divided by 5. 1. Go on dividing till you get the factor 1. Once you get all the factors, write the factors in the horizontal form. 8000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, into 5 into 5 into 5. And make a group of 3, 3. That is number appears thrice. So we are getting the one group of 2, again another group of 2, then 5. And again what we are going to keep in mind, the number appears thrice, 3 times. Now after writing the factors, we are going to write cube root using the radical sign. Put that radical sign and write 3 outside it, because you have to cube root, you have to write 3. Cube root of 8000 is equal to. Now you pick one number from that. It is a group of 2. Take 2. Again group 2. Then 5. Like that. And it comes 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. It means cube root of 8000 is 20. Then write the final answer. Cube root of 8000 is 20. Now 8000 is such a number which can be done orally also, cube root. As we know, 8 is cube of 2. And 3 zeros are there. Pick 1 zero from that to 20. That way also we can do. So cube of 20 is 8000. And the way it is written, cube root of 8000 is equal to 20. We have to write. Next question. We have to find the cube root of negative 2744. The number is negative. But we will be doing the same, the way how we have done the previous sum. We have to find the factors of 2744. As the number is even number, having 4 in the unit place. So first divide by 2. And when you divide 2744 by 2, one digit you will come 2 ones are 2. So below that 2 you write 1. Then 2 3s are 6, so 3, and 1 with 4, so it becomes 14. Then 14 divided by 2 is 7, and then 4 divided by 2 2. Directly also you have to learn. Again use the number which we have got, 1372 divided by 2. So it comes to 686. 686 divided by 2 comes 2 6 divided by 2, 3. Then 8 divided by 2, 4. Then 6 divided by 2, 3 is a number we are getting 343. And this number 343 is odd number. So odd number, first check, is it divisible by 3? Take sum of the digits. 3 plus 4 plus 3, 10. Is 10 divisible by 3? No. So here we cannot take 3. What we have to do? 5 also we cannot take. 5 is not in unit place. Next number 7. Yes, it is divisible by 7. So it is 7 4s are 28. 4, then comes 6, 63, 9. This way slowly you are going to do. And again 49 divided by 7 we know. 7 divided by 7, 1. Go on dividing till you get 1 as a factor. After writing this, write the factors. 2744 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 7 into 7 into 7. Again I said, remember, each number appears thrice. After writing the factors, write cube root sign using the radical sign. Remember to write 3. That is, for cube root you write 3 outside the radical sign. And take one number from each group. So from 2, 2 and 7. 2 7s are 14. Cube root of 2744 is 14. But question asked was negative 2744. So only here we are going to write cube root of, that is negative 2000, that is negative cube root of 2744. The way it is written, minus sign outside, negative sign outside, then cube root of 2744 is equal to negative 14. Only here your negative sign will appear. Till that the same factors, the same way how we have done the previous sign. As a number is negative, so the cube root answer also will be negative. So first you will put negative sign, then you will write cube root of 2744. So be very careful, your negative sign will come, cube root of your 3 will come, and the final answer. Now this is find the cube root of 32,768. The numbers is big, but as a number is even number, we have to divide by 2. And as we have to divide by 2, slowly one digit you will be taking. So you will be getting 1, 6, 3, 8, 4. Same method, one digit you will be taking, like 3 ones are, that is 2 ones are, then 1 which will be adding to next 12, then 3 6 are, like this go on dividing it. If the number is big, you are finding it difficult, then you are going to do ordinary division. Again divide by 2, you are getting 8192. Now you are divide by 2, 2 4s are, that is 8. So we are going to add 4 below that. But you are getting now the digits 8192. 2 4s are 8. Now 1 is there. It is not divisible. Put 0, then take the next digits 19. And it becomes 9 6. So you have to be very careful where 0 comes and do it correctly. Again 4096 divided by 2, you are getting 2048. Divide by 2, you are getting 1024. Dividing by 2, you are getting 512. Then divide by 2, you are getting 256. Then 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2. Go on doing till you get 1. So you are going to write the factors. That is 32,768. You are getting the group of 2 into 2 into 2, 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 2 into 2 into 2. If you group them thrice, that is a group of 3, 3. You are getting how many groups are formed? 5. So cube root of, now you have to write using radical sign, cube root of, write 3. So that, otherwise if you will forget to write 3, it will become square root. So no, you write cube root, write radical sign and 3 outside it. 32,768. And then you pick one number from that group. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So your final answer comes to cube root of 32,768, which is 32. Now in the exercise practice set, you are having the number 343, which you are going to do as assignment. And this was 343, one of the sum which we have done earlier. It is a cube of 7. So you will be getting the cube root 7. So these simpler ones you have to do. One was 512, which is cube of 8. So this is a part of this sum itself. One is 729, which is divisible by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Same way you will be doing it and you will getting the answer. So these simpler ones, 343, 512, 729, all as assignment you are going to do. Next question, simplify. Now previous one was clearly given in words, find the cube root. Here just they have mentioned simplify. So you have to check the question properly. It is cube root of 27 upon 125. So when we see the cube root, radical sign and 3 written, cube root of. So we know we have to find the factors. So as the number is simpler, so direct factors are given. And you have to write here as it is given, cube root of. Factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. And factors of 125, 5 into 5 into 5. So you have to do the way it is given. Equality is given. So you are going to write it using the radical sign and 3 outside it. Be very careful. And once I have removed the radical sign, see above step, I have taken the one number from each group. So it becomes 3 upon 5. So final answer is cube root of 27 upon 125 is 3 upon 5. And you have to present it properly. Numbers are simple. We know 27 is cube of 3. 125 is cube of 5. So these simpler sums we can do orally also. Next question is, we have to find cube root of 16 upon 54. Is 16 a cube of any number? No. Is 54 a cube of any number? No. But what we are going to do is, first we are going to write the factors using the radical sign. So use the radical sign, write 3, that is a cube root of, write the factors. Factors are 16 are 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2. 4 times. As a number are simple, we can directly write. And 54 is even number. So first you will write 2. So 54 divided by 2, 27. 27 is cube of 3. So directly you can write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. If you are not able to, then how it was shown in the horizontal method, find the factors and write. And after that, if you see properly, we have to find cube root. Each number should appear thrice. But here we are having 2 4 times. And next number, it's a 3 is there which appears thrice, but 2 is there. It means 2 is a common factor in numerator and denominator. 2 is a common factor for that. So divide by 2. Once you divide by 2, cut that 2. Then what is remaining is 2 into 2 into 2 in numerator, denominator 3 into 3 into 3. That is cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. The way it is shown, you write like that. And then I have to select one number from each group as I have to find the cube root. So it is 2 upon 3. So final answer is cube root of 16 upon 54 is 2 upon 3. Now next question. If cube root of 729 is 9, then find cube root of 0.000729. Now directly they have given you cube root of 729 is 9. We have to find the cube root of 0.000729. And cube root of 729 is given 9. So what we have to do is, first thing is, write a quotient. Cube root of 0.000729 is equal to cube root of 729 upon, we are going to remove the decimal, and once we remove the decimal, how many places are there after decimal? 6 digits. 6. So you write, that is 1 6 zeros. And then again in cube root sign, 729 cube, they are telling it is 9. So 9 into 9 into 9. And as 6 zeros are there, it is 100 into 100 into 100. Because we have to make the pair. So 3, that is, so 100 into 100 into 100. And once you remove the cube root sign, it becomes 9 upon 100. When it is 9 upon 100, then 100, it is 2 decimal places. So 0.09. Your final answer is cube root of 0.000729 is 0.09. So in such numbers, just we have to see that proper place we are going to put the decimal. That thing we have to take care of. Cube root of 729, directly it is given 9. So this is the way we are going to solve such type of sums. Now your practice set is over. So this is an assignment which you are going to do. You have to find the cube of numbers from 1 to 20. How you are going to find? See, it is given number, write in product form and cube. So it becomes easier for you. Start with number 1. Product form is 1 into 1 into 1. And cube of 1 is 1. Next is 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. It comes to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next number 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Next number 4. Same way you go on and make the table of the numbers from 1 to 20. Now 4, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 into 4, that is now 64. 5, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25 into 5, 125. So this way you will make a table and you will by heart the cubes. So you should know the cube of 1 is 1, 2 is 8. Okay. So thank you. Practice the sums given. Practice 3.3 full and the 2 simpler sums which are given. You are going to do like 343, 729, 512. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself.